Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now we are going to discuss about the most widely used text search algorithm of information retrieval systems. Now we are in the information retrieval systems fifth unit in the text search software text search algorithms. In the earlier session, previous session to this we completed the brute force method, and now we are going to discuss about the most widely used Boyer-Moore algorithm. So what is the Boyer-Moore algorithm? What are the main contents of it now? We are going to see. So let us see. It's actually a string algorithm. So it works on the strings, and the comparison process will always starts at the end of the search process, like right to left here. You need to identify this particular thing. That is, the comparison starts always at the right to left. Okay. So this is the right to left. The comparison always starts from right to left at the start of the each position. The advantage here it is that large jumps, whenever it is jumping from one pattern to the another pattern, one place to another place, large jumps are mismatched character in the input stream such patterns which occurs frequently. Okay, large jumps are mismatched character in the input stream, the search pattern which occurs frequently. Okay, there is a mismatch, then large jumps will be possible here. So large jumps is one of the advantage of this particular algorithm. So what are the things to be noted here? It's actually string algorithm, and the comparison process always starts from right to left here, and as well as the best advantage, whenever mismatch occurs, it large jumps from one position to another position. Okay, and the next one. So the Boyer-Moore algorithm actually developed by the um, uh, additional test searching techniques, so to cover other kind of the additional test searching techniques. So originally designed to support scanning of a single search string, it is actually. Okay, so again it is handled to multiple search strings on a single pass. So various enhanced versions of the Boyer-Moore algorithm also developed by many number of the researchers. So basically it's a text search algorithm designed to support scanning of a single search string because it works mainly on the strings only. And next it was expanded to handle multiple search strings on a single pass. Several versions of the Boyer-Moore algorithm also possible. These are the various number of the scientists who have proposed various number of the versions of Boyer-Moore algorithm. Okay, and next we are going to talk about Boyer-Moore pattern matching algorithm basically works on two different kinds of the heuristics. The very first one is looking glass heuristic. Here we compare P with a subsequent T moving backwards, and character jumping heuristics. When a mismatch occurs, T of I is equal to C. If P contains C, shift P to align last occurrence of C P with Ti, else shift P to align P0 with Ti. So we can easily understand this by using an example. Looking glass heuristic, it is comparing the string and moving backwards. Character jumping means whenever a mismatch occurs, it jumps to particular character wherever the match occurs. Okay, so next here we need to consider two different kinds of the things. Those are algo 1 and algo 2. Okay, so what is the first algo 1 will says any one of the mismatch occurs. Okay, so it counts the number of the positions from where it starts. That is nothing but the algo 1. Okay, so what is the algo 2? Any number of the mismatch occurs, from there it has to jump, and again it needs to count, it needs to match the string. That is nothing but the algo 2. So how now we are going to see this algo 1, algo 2. Let us see, this is a very good example of this Boyer-Moore algorithm. Here the string is given like this. See, position is given as 1 to 13, and input stream is given as this one input stream, and search pattern is given as the 6 character string ABD. Now coming to the first point here, A, this entire search is divided into three different points, A, B and C. So what is the A it is saying now? We are going to see here. See the mismatch, it starts at the particular place 2, Okay, always we discussed in the previous slide that the search always starts at the right to left. Okay, so the search always starts at the right to left. So where we start this search now, we are going to see here. Let us see this example, then you can clearly understand about this Boyer-Moore algorithm. Okay, so this is the particular place search pattern A, B, D and A, B. Okay, so here we started at the position 2. We are going to compare it from the right to left. Okay, so this is the first, second, third, fourth position. At the fourth position, the mismatch occurs. So the mismatch position is position number 4. You have to start from always left to right, because Boyer-Moore algorithm will always starts from left to right to left. So starting at the seventh position, 7 6 5 4. So mismatch position occur at position 4. So this alga 4 is 4 spaces. So 4 spaces you have to skip. So that's why algo 2 is given as 4. And coming to the left to right, the algo 1 will work 1 2 3. From the starting, how many spaces it is skipping now from this particular place, from 4 to 3 number of the places, that is fourth. Wherever the mismatch occurs, from that is counting from the algo 2. The mismatch occurs at the fourth position, so you are going to shift to the next position from the sixth. So from the 4 to 6 is the third position, 1 2 and 3, that is algo 3. Algo 3 counts from the mismatch. Where the mismatch occurs to the next position is nothing but algo 3. 1 2 3. Okay, so next, here next one is coming to the next pattern. So what is algo 2? It is saying algo 2 always counts from left to right, that is the fourth position. And what is algo 2, algo 1? It is saying algo 1, it is saying at the next position where you have to move from where the mismatch occurs. Okay, so that is from left to right, starting from the string. The algo 3 is saying the mismatch occurs from 1 to 3. Okay, so it occurs at the 1 2 3, and it has to move from again sixth position, that is 1 2 3. So that is nothing but algo 3 it is saying. Now coming to the second one. Okay, here the input stream is given like this and search pattern is given like this. So after shifting the four number of the positions from 2 to 4, you count 1 2 3 4. From the 4 to from where you need to start now, from the starting of the position, you have to start from the sixth position, that is ABD AAB. So from the mismatch you start from the skip the four places. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, you skipped the four places and you started at the sixth position. You skipped the from the starting of the four places and you started at the sixth in the round number 2. See here, 1 2 3 4, four places are skipped here, and now you started at the sixth here, ABD AAB. Okay, and now where this particular where this mismatch occurred here, see here, starting from the right, we are testing the mismatch. It is okay, 10th position it is okay. So mismatch occurred at the position number 9. Okay, so mismatch occurred at the position number 9, and again you have to starting position from this mismatch is again 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So again you have to skip from 4 number of the positions. Okay, you have to start from the 10th position. From the mismatch where the next position occurred, where you are moving the next position, that is algo 1. Algo 2 is again 4 number of the mismatches occurs. That means you have to started at the sixth position. Again you have to start from the 10th position. You have to again leave the 4 number of the characters from the starting. Okay, so 10th position you are talking starting. So algo 1 is what? At the 9 is the mismatch. Again just next is the 10th one, just 1 is 1. So 1, that is, so algo 1 is saying it is only 1. Okay, so you started at the mismatch from the starting position 10th. So complete match occurs here. Whenever the complete match occurs, you stop the searching. Okay, so once again I will explain. See, let us don't be confused. Position is given here and input stream is given here and search pattern is given here. Here it is the input string. You started at the second position. From right you need to calculate. So from the right position the mismatch occurred at the fourth position. So position number 4, here position number 4 you are counting. So position number 4 from the starting onwards where the mismatch occurs, here 4 number of the characters the mismatch occurs from the starting 1 2 3 4. So you skip from the 4 places. Okay, so from 4 to here you have to skip here. Already you started at the second position. From the second to 4 position you have to go. So from the second to 4 you have to go, that is nothing but 1 2 3 4. You have to start from the sixth position in the second step. Now what is algo 3? Algo 3 is nothing but in the next step, in the previous step, how many number of the right to left, that is so how many number of the places you skipped. You started at the second position, mismatch occurs at the fourth position, and again you started at the sixth position. So from the mismatch how many number of positions you are moving? 3 number of the positions you are moving. So algo 3 is 3 number of the positions. At the fourth position the mismatch is occurred, that is 4. From the mismatch how many positions in the next step you are going to move? That is 3. Yeah, that is 6. So counting from the 4, that is the third position, that is algo 3, and algo 4 is nothing but left to right to left, it is fourth position you have noted, that is the fourth position. Now coming to the second step, you started at the second position in the first step, and again is 4 skip, you skip 4 places. Again you have started from the sixth number of the sixth position of the places. So from the left to right to left the comparison will occur, b b a a. So the mismatch occur at the position number 9. So what is the algo number 9? In the coming step mismatch occurs at the 9. So you have to start at the 10th one. So algo 1 is 9. 9 after 9 just 10. The difference between 9 and 10 is only 1. So algo 1 is 1. So what is algo 2 now? Algo 2, here again you have to it is again 4. So 1 2 3 4. From the starting position the mismatch occurs at the fourth position. So the skip for 4 places, and again you started at the 10th position. So it is nothing but ABD AAB. So like that the Boyer-Moore algorithm will work. This is the way of working of the Boyer-Moore algorithm. Okay, so this is the one of the efficient algorithm. Now we have to considering the steps of algo 3 for the next step, how you are going to take the steps. From 6 to 9 the difference is 3, that is defined in the algo 3, and from 9 to 10 it is a difference 1, that is defined in the algo 3, algo 1 here. Okay, so the algo 1 here it is 3, algo 1 it is here it is 1. Like that it can be displayed. So this is the Boyer-Moore algorithm working example. Okay, so next we are going to talk about last occurrence function. Here it uses one kind of the last occurrence function which proposes the pattern in the alphabet to build the last occurrence function L mapping together. We very leastly we use this particular last occurrence function. Okay, for example this is the last occurrence, S is given like this and P is ABCCAB. The last occurrence function can be represented by an array indexed by numeric codes of the characters. Last occurrence can be calculated by time complexity order of m plus s, where m is the size of P and s is the size of S. Okay, this is the Boyer-Moore algorithm working principle. The example of the Boyer-Moore algorithm, the steps of pseudocode of the Boyer-Moore algorithm is given like this. And now we will see one more example. It will always set starts from the left to right to left. So here you have to considering the right to left here, case 1 and case 2. Okay, j less than or equal to I plus L, and 1 plus L less than or equal to j. How it will be, we will check that count, sorry, the matching always done from right to left. Let us see this example. In this particular example, ABC, ACA, ABC like this is given. So here the first, it is the main string, it is the substring to be compared. Okay, so here the first position itself the mismatch occurred. So you move a bit forward. So again the next position the mismatch occurred, you move a bit forward, again the mismatch occurred, you move a bit forward, again mismatch occurred, you move a bit forward, again the mismatch occurred, you move a forward, at the position exact match occurs. B A C A B A. So at this 8 to 13 position from the right, the match occurs. Okay, like that it proceeds forward from the mismatch occurs. Okay, so the next one, Bayer-Moore algorithm runs in time order of n plus m, order of nm plus s. The example of worst case is given like this. The worst case may occur in image and DNA sequences, but unlikely in English text. It can have the used in DNA sequences, and it is one of the advantage of this Bayer-Moore algorithm is more fast than brute force algorithm in the English text, and it can also be used in English text. One more example that we will see. Let us see, this is the main input string, that is a substring 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here mismatch occurs, it move forwards, here mismatch occur, it move forwards, here the mismatch occurs, it move forwards, like that till the match will occur, it moves forward. This is the analysis of the Bayer-Moore algorithm. The main things remember in the Bayer-Moore algorithm in this working example is the searching can occur from always from left to right. Okay, so it will start the positions based on the algo 3 and algo 2, algo 1 and algo through algo 2. So it has to be taken into the consideration of searching from left to right, and it is very good algorithm, very efficient algorithm than the brute force method, and it is based on two heuristics, looking glass heuristic and character jump heuristic, mainly used for searching of the strings. Okay, so this is about the Bayer-Moore algorithm. If you got any doubt, please mail to the intelligible tutorials at the rate gmail.com. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, watch all my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.